Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are continuing our journey through SecurityX CAS-005. In this video, we will explain management commitment and the RACI Matrix, which are key components of cybersecurity governance and planning. What is management commitment? Management commitment means the active support and involvement of top-level managers and executives in cybersecurity efforts. This support includes providing funding for security tools and training, approving and promoting security policies, creating a culture where security is everyone's responsibility, making cybersecurity part of the organization's business goals. Example, if a security officer recommends phishing training, it's the management's job to approve the budget, make it mandatory, and lead by example by attending the training themselves. Without visible support from leadership, security initiatives often fail. What is the RACI Matrix? The RACI Matrix is a simple tool used to define roles and responsibilities. It makes sure that everyone knows who is doing what in a project or process. RACI stands for responsible, the person who does the work; accountable, the person who makes sure the work is done correctly and on time; consulted, people who provide advice or input; informed, people who are kept updated but do not directly contribute. Example of RACI in cybersecurity. Imagine your company is implementing multi-factor authentication. The IT team is responsible for setting it up. The IT director is accountable for making sure it's completed. The compliance team is consulted to ensure it meets standards. All employees are informed about the rollout. This structure prevents confusion about who is doing what and helps things move faster and more efficiently. Why is RACI important in cybersecurity? It brings clarity to projects and processes. It avoids overlap or missed tasks. It ensures fast and coordinated responses during incidents. It helps large teams work together smoothly. Final thoughts. Strong management support, combined with clear roles through the RACI Matrix, makes any cybersecurity program more effective. Whether you're preparing for the CAS-005 exam or managing cybersecurity in your organization, understanding these concepts will improve your planning and execution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful.